Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to decorate my staircase. I made a lot of pressed dry flowers from our garden. Now they are all dry and beautiful. Look. So I'm going to decorate this wall with pressed flowers. I learned this idea from the program Escape to Shadow. I love this program. I have learned a lot of ideas from them. Wish me luck. I hope I will do a very good job. This is a tree leaf. I'm going to put in here as if it is grow out of the wall. And I will use stick and spray that I got from Amazon. It is the first time I use this. I hope it will work. Oh, pretty easy. This is a purple flower. It looks delicate and it is very delicate, so I must be very careful. I'm going to put it underneath as if it grows out of the floor. Pretty easy. Another purple flower. Oh, this one is beautiful. Look, it is blue and white. Right, this is all my finished work. Let's look at the whole picture. I'm so happy with this. This is like I moved the Weasley garden into our house. It looks wonderful. You can do it too, you know. It's pretty easy.